everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and today is the day that so many of us stampers have been waiting for. Today is the release of Stamp Club launch number 3. It's called Happy Hibiscus, and it's got a really cool concept this month, and I can't wait to show you. So let's head over to my desk and I will walk you through the whole release. Okay, so here we go with a closer look at Stamp Club launch number 3 called Happy Hibiscus. Again, this bundle includes a large 6x8 stamp set and a coordinating die set. This large floral background stamp can be used as a background stamp, or when combined with the dies it can be cut into a floral frame or a beautiful floral bouquet. There are also floral borders, a floral heart, and some fantastic sentiments in beautiful fonts. The die set has a coordinating die for each of the stamps. It also has stitched square and rectangle dies that add stitching details to both the positive and negative die cut pieces. Now let's take a look at some of the projects that you can make with this stamp and die bundle. For my first card, I stamped the entire background stamp in a subtle gold sheen and finished my card using one of the large word dies in gold cardstock. For my second card, again I used the large background stamp, but this time I colored it in vibrant tropical colors and topped it off with multiple sentiments. For this card, I used only the floral frame. Then I used the large happy birthday die as my centerpiece. This card uses exactly the same layout, but with different color choices and a watercolor wash. You can see how making small changes such as silver embossing powder can really make a big difference. This card showcases the floral bouquet from the center of that background stamp, in addition to some of the sentiments. This card again uses that same floral bouquet from the center, but this time cut into pieces for a very different look. I did the same thing with that center bouquet on this card, cutting it into pieces and using it to frame a delicate die cut background. I really love the way that the gold cut happy birthday pops off of this card. This next card is a slimline card, and I've stamped the entire background using the background stamp in a subtle gold sheen. Then I used one of the rectangle stitch dies to frame the For You and added heat embossed vellum to accent it. For my next card, I used that beautiful floral heart and framed it out using one of the stitched square dies that comes in this set. I added a little love stamp and it makes a perfectly cute little card. I made this beautiful tag using the floral border stamp and the For You die cut. I layered one on top of the other and created some great dimension for a beautiful tag. Now, if you're interested in watching a tutorial, you can head over to the Tonic Studios channel or my channel at Card Bomb by Maria Willis to see how to make both of these cards. Stamp Club Launch 3 Happy Hibiscus is available now in both the Tonic Studios UK and USA shops. Click the links in the description box below to learn more.